Meet the COSORI indoor grill, temperatures up to 510 degrees Fahrenheit sear and sizzle food in minutes, to give you your desired doneness with char grill marks and caramelized flavor. Take foods from frozen solid to golden and crispy with a tender interior in under 25 minutes. Enjoy hands-free control by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With the free VE-Sync app, you can remotely monitor food and make time and temperature adjustments. Discover over 100 step-by-step recipes made by COSORI chefs on the VE-Sync app. Just choose a recipe and your indoor grill will automatically be set to the correct temperature and time.